Hi traders, the S&P 500 is down for the past week by 0.4% and 2016 is still green by 0.7%. However, if you take a look at the NASDAQ is down by 5.4% for 2016. We are at the end of the quarterly report season showing, as expected, an average decline of 7.1% in profits. However, some sectors are up. If we take a look at the healthcare, is up by 7% and telecoms are up by 16%. The big surprise came on Friday when the April employment report showed a lower than expected growth, only 160,000 new jobs. Expectations were for 207,000 jobs. Now, how did the market take it? The market in fact moved up, expecting the bad data to delay the planned June interest rate hike. So what about the coming week? I expect the market to continue moving lower. It's very hard to expect, but right now the trend is down. Let's take a technical view of the market. When we take a look at the S&P 500 daily, we can see the clear bounce from the resistance, and take a look at the 2000 area. I believe we're going to retest this area quite soon. Let's take a look at last week's picks. Our first pick for last week was WTW short, which did get to the 3-point area, so we did get a 3/4 partial at 3%. However, if you take a look at the daily, you can see a very strange daily bar there. And let's take a look at the intraday and understand something very, very important here. We can see a huge gap up. This is after we took a partial profit and had a nice cushion. And my last quarter size hit me very hard. However, the reason I take my 3/4 partial is exactly because of this. I need to put some money in the pocket in order to handle correctly the last quarter size. Now I am out, even though it continued moving lower. I had no idea it's going to continue lower, but again, you have to have a nice cushion before you manage the last quarter size. So selling or covering, in this case 3/4, was very, very important. WTW ended in a loss due to the fact that it gapped up. My second pick for last week was cost. It is moving in the right direction, did not reach yet our 3% target. Let's take a look at this week's picks. My first pick for the week is AMT long. You may wonder why I take a long while I expect the market to move down. Well, the reason is AMT is in the telecom business, communication towers for the cellular industry. Now, as you may remember, I mentioned earlier, this industry specifically moved up by 16% for the last quarter. So AMT long, nice technical formation and a good sector. My second pick for the week is DHR. Same story applies. This is a healthcare company, again a sector that moved up by 6% or actually 7% for the last quarter. So DHR long looks like a perfect formation. I'm going to take it long over 97.58 cents. I wish you a great trading week and see you next week.